Galaxies. Our Sun belongs to a giant whirlpool of stars called the Milky Way. Huge collection of stars are called galaxies, and like all galaxies, the Milky Way is unimaginably vast. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes. Some are spiral like our own galaxy, but other fuzzy balls or shapeless clouds. The smallest have just a few million stars. The large contains trillions. Although they look packed with stars, galaxies are mostly empty space. If you made a scale model of Milky Way with a grain of sand for each star, the nearest star to the Sun would be 6 km away. The furthest would be 130,000 km away. The stars in a galaxy are held together by gravity and travel slowly around the galactic's heart. In many galaxies, including our star, a supermassive black hole lies hidden in the center. Stars and other materials are sucked into cosmic plug hole by gravity and disappear forever. Galactic center. This photo from an infrared telescope shows stars and gas clouds packing the center of the Milky Way. A supermassive black hole lies hidden somewhere in this area. Solar system. Our solar system is in a minor spiral arm called Orion Arm. We orbit the center of the galaxy once every 200 million years, traveling at about 200 km a second. Crab Nebula. Cloud of gas and dust occur throughout the Milky Way, especially the spiral arm. The Crab Nebula is a cloud of wreckage left behind by a dying star that exploded. Globular cluster. Not all the Milky Way stars are in the main disk of the galaxy. Many are in the globular cluster, tightly packed ball of ancient stars floating above and below the galaxy in the spherical region called halo. The Milky Way. If you could look down on the Milky Way galaxy from the above, the view would be like a flying over glittering city at night. Most of the galaxy's 200 billion stars are in the central bulge. Curving around this are two vast spiral arms and several smaller arms. The Milky Way is to be barred spiral, but we can't see its shape clearly from the Earth as we view it from the inside. In the night sky, the Milky Way appears only in the milking band of light. Galaxy shapes. Astronomers classify galaxies into just a few types, depending upon the shape we observe from Earth. Spiral. A central hub of stars is surrounded by a spiral arm curving out. Barred spiral. A starting straight bar runs across the center connecting spiral arms. Elliptical. More than half of all galaxies are simple ball-just shapes. Irregular. Galaxies with no clear shape are classified as irregular. How spiral arms formed. The star in a galaxy orbit the center, taking millions of years to make one circuit. Spiral arms appear when stars pass in and out of the crowded areas, like cars passing temporarily through a traffic jam. One theory is that these traffic jams happen because the orbits of different stars don't line up neatly. Colliding galaxies. Sometimes galaxies crash and tear up each other path. Individual stars don't collide, but gas clouds do, and gravity pulls the colliding galaxies into new shapes. And of the Milky Way. In 4 billion years, galaxy will collide with Andromeda galaxy. This artist impression shows what the sky might look like as merge. Interesting facts about the galaxies. 200 million, the approximate number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. 23, the number of times our solar system has orbited the Milky Way. 7 trillion, the approximate number of galaxies in the observable universe. 6,000 years, the length of time it would take to count the Milky Way stars at the rate of 1 second.